Ndewo na ụmụ Igbo, ụtụtụ ọma nọ, afọ ọma nọ, asị m ka chi tata bụ afọ maala anyị mma, na-asị ka chi afọ na ezumezu mmụọ niile anyị na-achụgara àjà gozie anyị tata bụ afọ, nye anyị ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike, nye anyị udo obi n'iru, udo obi n'azụ, ndụ n'aka ndị ndụ n'aka ekpe, ihe akụkụ na ihe enwe ọzụ nwoke ọzụ nwaanyị. A sị na ihe anyị ga-eji wee bi ndụ ama nkọnata anyị tata bụ afọ, si na ụgbọ anyị ji wee pụta tata bụ afọ malụ mma, mana ka anyị eji wee nata ya ka ya mma ọmaka ka nsị ya mebela anyị niile. Bọchị afọ, bọchị nkwọ, bọchị eke, bọchị olie, n'afịa na-anọ ụbọchị na-anọ ise 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 ise. Aka m bụkwa onye nke gị nwada agbara ọma ụzọ mmiri. Abụkwa m onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala Igbo, bụrụkwa dibịa Igbo. Anyị na-agba afa na-agbasi afọ ike, na-alụ ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche, na-enyere ụmụ Igbo aka ime eziokwu gbasara ọdịnala, maka na ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ na ụzọ eziokwu. Ọ usoro ndị mbụ na ndị egede, ndị ichie, ndị gboo, ndị mere ọdịnala mgbe gburugburu si wee kpeelu Chukwu site n'ịkwụ aka ọtọ wee bie ndụ mmụọ ọzụ nwoke mmụọ ọzụ nwaanyị, ma chakwazie isi awọ. Wee na-asị ụmụ Igbo ka anyị na-anatawa n'ọdịnala Igbo, maka na ọdịnala bụ ebe ejedebelụ. Ọ ụzọ ndụ bụrụ ụzọ eziokwu, bụrụ ụzọ udo. Wee na-asị unu na-abịakwana m tata, mụnwa bụ Mgboorie Ada Mmiri, adaeze ndị a gbara na arụsị. Abịakwana m tata ebe bịa gbasalụ gị ozi ọma, ịgwa ihe ị kwesịrị ịma, ihe ị kwesịrị ị na-eme ka udo na-achị na ndụ gị. Ịkọtakwanụ gị n'ọdịnala abụrụ ịgwọ ọgwụ, nọọ ịkpa na anakpa n'ọfọ. Ndewonu. Ihe m bịalụ ịkụzi tata bụ ihe nwere ike ime na ị ga na-alụ ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche, ịma mfụ rizọt ya. Ihe nwere ike ibutie n'akụkụ nke gị nwa bụ onye alụrụ ọrụ, ihe nwere ike ibute ya n'akụkụ nke gị nwa bụ onye alụrụ ọrụ. Why your spiritual work fails to work, sometimes nwere ike isi gị n'aka gị nwa bụ onye alụrụ ọrụ. Na mgbe gara aga ekwubugo m na onye na-alụ gị ọrụ nwere ike ịbụ ya nwa bụ the cause ihe melụ na ọrụ alụrụ gị agahụ. Mana ihe m bịakwa na ikwutata na gị nwa bụ onye alụrụ ọrụ nwekwara ike ịbụ ihe melụ na ọrụ alụrụ gị anara aga. N'anya o nwere ndị nachitara azụ n'ọdịnala Igbo with mindset a ji wee nọrọ n'ụka. Ọ bụrụ na iji mindset iji wee nọrọ n'ụka wee na-achịta n'ọdịnala, nwanne m nwoke sorry, nwanne m nwaanyị sorry. Do you know why you have been lying in the church? Why you have been committing all manner of evil in the church, yet nothing happens to you? Because there is no forces there. Because there is no power there. Here is not the church. Here is not the church where you can be and be committing all manner of evil. Here is not the church. In the church, some of you sleep with people's wives. Right in the church you are worshiping. Some of you molest and abuse small children in the church where you are worshiping. In the church where you are worshiping, when you see truth, you will not say it because it is Daddy G.O. or Mommy G.O. or his brother Michael that you like. When you see all manner of evil happening, you keep quiet in the church and nothing will happen because that is the church. In the church, you pretend to love someone you know that you hate. Why waiting patiently for that person to fall into your trap so that you can devour him or her? Yes, you do it and you go free because that is the church. Because there is no power. All you people are doing there is illusion. You are believing in what is not into existence, what has never existed in this life before. That is what you are believing in. That is why they tell you, do not argue, but believe with faith. Believe even in what you know that is possible and what you know that it is not possible, because you are in the church. Yes. But here in Ordinary Igbo, in our custom, in our culture, and in our tradition, you dare not. You cannot come out before a strong deity and say any manner of lie against anybody. You cannot do that. You cannot be in a land where the gods and goddesses are being appeased on a regular basis and commit any evil and expect to go free. It is not done here. The reason why you have done some spiritual work for a very long time and you keep on wasting money, the fault could be from you as a person. You might be a young man sleeping with people's wives, yet you want spirit to help you. You think that for the fact that you have brought out the money, you are now permitted to live any manner of life you want. You are in tradition, yet you still stand by evil. You still stand by evil. You see the truth and you cover it. You see that something is white and you come out and say that it is red because you are supporting the person that you like. Then you want spirits to help you. You are in tradition. You have appeased your chi. You have done this. You have done that. Yet, you are still raping people's children. You are that child that is living with you, you are still maltreating him or her. You are still oppressing that widow or that poor man or poor woman around you. And you think that spirits are fools. It is not about bringing out money and appeasing them. It is about changing the person in you. Running away from anything that is evil, that may attract negative energy to you. Because whichever evil you commit today draws a lot of box of negative energies to you that will come and start hovering around you, that each time good things want to come to you, they scare it away, or they will just hang it or swallow it. You have done spiritual works. You have done marine settlement. You have done this, you have done that. But yet you take in as a woman or as a lady and you abort it. Destroying mother of fertility, the goddess of fertility. You are destroying all these things. And you feel that your ways will be pure. It is a lie. It is a lie. It is a big lie. It is only charm that brings things that are not natural. It is only charm that forces things that are not natural to happen. But when you are doing settlement and appeasement, you are trying to open the natural doors of blessings to flow into your life. And there is no way you are doing this thing and at the same time using your evil attitude to cover those things, and you expect the dibia that work for you to go and do signs and wonders for you. Here in Ordinana, we don't read Psalm 51. We do not read Psalm 51 here. Nothing like I have sinned, I don't forgive my sin, blah 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 blah, and you go. It is a lie. If you commit an abomination in an Ordinary Igbo, you must cleanse yourself, and you promise never to return back to it again. If you cleanse yourself and go back to it, whatever you see, you take it. Whatever you see, you take it. So you could be the reason why you have failed to see results in some of the spiritual work you have done. Examine yourself. Since I've done this, since I've done that. Have I done this? Have I done that? Since I've been appeasing my chi, doing all manner of spiritual work, have I maintained cleanliness in the spirituality? Have I tried to maintain holiness in the spirituality? Have I tried to stay away from things that can bring negative energies to me? Because, Oga, if you like, do marine settlements 100 times and you are still doing that, which may attract negative energy to you, you keep on tying yourself. And the more you are doing all these things that are bringing bad energy, that are contaminating your aura, hear me, those energy that you have, those positive energy that you have appeased and realigned yourself with them, they will start living. They will start living, and the negative one will start occupying again. Tomorrow you say, they have done this, they have done that. And so what? If they have done this for you and they have done that for you, are you sure that you are not the one that have been destroying all those things that they have done for you? Don't come out and say that Dibias as criminal. You hear me well. If you are a woman, a young girl, and you are dating a married man, I don't have problem with you dating a married man. But what is abomination before God and before the earth, before the land we walk on and before man, is trying to separate the man from his wife. Trying to make the man to pay less attention to his family and pay maximum attention to you. You are bringing negative energy upon yourself. As long as Ordinary Igbo is concerned, African tradition and culture is concerned, an African man is entitled to marry as many wives as he wants. Yes. Even if he's married to you as a second wife, you do not have any spiritual right to make him to pay less attention to his first wife. You should be able to benefit from him, likewise his first wife. So if you are dating any married man and you are diverting his attention from his first family, you are bringing bad energy to yourself, so that you not go and start accusing innocent Dibia that have worked him or herself out for you, that he is the one doing you. He has not done, he did not do your work for you, he didn't do it well, blah, 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 this, that. Or you are a young man sleeping with people's wives. Anajikwagi. It is important to know and to be careful, because in Ordinary Igbo, we don't do pasha here. Everything is open. There is nothing like partiality in Ordinary Igbo or Diroadi. We don't do Akania Kempe in Ordinary Igbo unless that person is hiding under that name Ordinana. Unless that person is not practicing pure Ordinary Igbo. But someone who practices pure Ordinary Igbo, na so alonso, and does not stand where they lay evil justice against anybody or talk less of carrying it out against any human being, whether that person is related to him or her or not. So be careful, so that you yourself, you don't spoil things for yourself. And at the end of the day, you will start accusing people, saying that it's evil people, it is witchcraft people, it is Ndi Ekwensu, Ndi Ajomado, enemies. They are fighting you. Who is fighting you? Who is fighting you? Who is fighting against you? Why you are the one destroying yourself? I am still your one and only Abaroma Ozamiri. I am the daughter of the sea. Feel free to ask me any question concerning what we have taught about today, or our previous teachings, our previous topics, or anything concerning Ordinary Igbo. Or you want us to do a deep alpha consultation for you, or you want us to do any kind of spiritual work for you, please contact us on 070-373-11663. Thank you.